Have you ever stood outside on a very hot day and thought, wow, this is boiling? Now imagine something much, much hotter, so hot it's almost as hot as the surface of the sun. Would you believe me if I told you that this heat is not in the sky, but under your feet deep inside the earth? Yes, it's true. The center of the earth, called the core, is about 5,400 degrees Celsius, or about 9,800 degrees Fahrenheit. That's nearly the same temperature as the surface of the sun. Let's go deep into this amazing story. The earth has layers, like an onion to understand this. We need to know what the earth looks like inside. You can think of earth like a giant onion with 4 layers. The crust, this is where we live. It's the outer skin of the earth. The mantle, a thick layer of hot rock below the crust. The outer core, a big ball of melted metal like liquid iron. The inner core, a solid metal ball in the center of the planet. This is where the real heat lives. The inner core is about the size of the moon and is made mostly of iron, even though it's incredibly hot. The pressure is so strong that it stays solid. How did the core get so hot? So why is the Earth's core so hot? Great question. There are 3 main reasons. 1. Leftover heat from when Earth was born billions of years ago. Earth was formed from crashing rocks and space dust. These crashes made a lot of heat. That heat got trapped inside. 2. Radioactive elements inside the Earth are tiny particles like uranium and potassium. They break down slowly and release heat, just like a slow-burning fire. 3. Extreme pressure. The deeper you go inside Earth, the more weight is pressing down from above. This pressure squeezes the atoms together, making them move faster, and moving atoms means more heat. How hot is it exactly? Scientists believe the core is about 5,400 degrees Celsius. That's almost 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, the same as the surface of the sun. But here's the fun part. We've never seen the core. So how do scientists know this? How do we know if we can't go there? We've never dug more than about 12 kilometers into the Earth. That's nothing compared to the 6,400 kilometers to the center. But scientists are clever. They use earthquake waves to see how sound moves through the Earth, experiments in labs with very high pressure, math and computer models to estimate what's happening deep below. All of this shows that the inner core is as hot as the sun's surface. Amazing, right? Why does this matter? You might be thinking, so what if the core is hot? It matters a lot. That heat does many important things. 1. It creates Earth's magnetic field. The liquid outer core is always moving. That movement creates a magnetic field around Earth. This field helps birds and animals find direction, makes compasses work, protects Earth from dangerous space radiation. Without it, we'd be in big trouble. 2. It drives volcanoes and earthquakes. The heat pushes and moves the rock in the mantle. This makes the tectonic plates, big pieces of Earth's crust, move. That's what causes earthquakes, volcanoes, mountains. So the fire in the core shapes the world we live on. Can we dig to the core? Not even close. The deepest hole ever made is in Russia. It goes down about 12 kilometers. But the core is over 500 times deeper. The pressure and heat are too much for any machine. If you try to dig down, your tools would melt like butter on fire. For now, the core is a place we can't reach. It's like a hidden furnace that keeps our planet alive. Earth's core versus the sun, let's compare. Feature Earth's inner core surface of the sun temperature, degrees C, 5, 405, 500 made of solid iron hot gases, plasma, creates magnetic field light, and heat source of energy, radioactive decay, nuclear fusion. So yes, they are both fiery, but they're very different kinds of fire. The core is still a mystery. We know a lot, but there's still so much we don't know. Some scientists think the inner core is slowly spinning at a different speed than the rest of the Earth. Others believe there may be layers inside the inner core, like a core within the core. Every year, we learn a little more, but the core still keeps many secrets. Final thoughts, isn't it amazing? Right now, beneath your feet, thousands of kilometers down, there's a giant ball of metal as hot as the surface of the sun. This fire powers our magnetic field, moves our continents, and shapes our world. It's one of Earth's greatest mysteries and most powerful forces. So next time you feel the Earth beneath you, remember, it's not just solid rock. It's alive with fire.